Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound, dollar, GBP, USD after the Fed's interest rate. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, this one, Gold, USD, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So market got market became extremely volatile after the Fed uh, likely to decided to increase interest rates by March. So as we all know, these are the market driving factors, and there was a huge volatility in the market. And just look at the size of this candle on DXY here. And as a result, we have seen heavy sell-off on Euro USD, GBP USD, and Gold USD. But in comparison to gold or Euro USD, the sell-off on GBP USD is less. And for the last couple of days, we have also seen less volatility on our movement on GBP USD. But whatever it is, after the news, there is a huge volatility in the market, and dollar is very bullish right now. Just keep in mind one thing: dollar is bullish, but it is approaching the resistance zone of 96.70 to 96.90. This is a very strong resistance for the market, and one thing is very much sure that yes, dollar has given a good run, but once dollar reaches the resistance zone, it will I'm not saying that there will be a complete trend reversal, but the uptrend, the bullishness will see some selling pressure, will see at least a resistance here. So at that particular point of time, we may see some correction on Euro USD and GBP USD. Let's cross our fingers. And on the other hand, we also have few events coming up, high impact events coming up today as well. So you can see jobless claims, 4 weeks average, then durable goods orders. So overall, we have got few high impact news coming up on the market today. So there may be some volatility again, and then we have the FOMC, another big event coming up. So overall, the volatility, the craziness in the market will continue. So what to do in this market situation then? So my dear friends, my request is please keep your eyes on DXY. Your eyes on DXY will be very crucial, because as I have just said that we have a resistance in this zone here. Okay, so when the events will be coming up, there is a possibility that dollar will be at a resistance. If the events support the movement, upside movement of US dollar, then dollar will break the resistance and will go up. And if dollar breaks the resistance and start going up, then definitely we will see fresh selling on GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold. But on the other hand, if the event triggers a reversal on US dollar, if we see after the event, if we see dollar going down, then yes, GBP USD, Euro USD, and others will try to recover, because they have already witnessed heavy sell-off, and yes, some sort of recovery is on the cards. Let's see how the market reacts. As of now, I'll just request you to be very careful with the market. Market is extremely crazy, volatile right now, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because one big candle, if you do not follow proper risk management, one big candle can bring havoc to your trading capital. And as a trader, your responsibility is to protect your hard-earned money. As I always say, a trader has only one thing under his control, that is loss. Trader can only control his loss. The trader can only decide how much loss he can take. Apart from that, a trader has nothing in his hand. He can just expect that I'm about to make this much money on profit, but trader can decide from before that how much loss he's about to take. Therefore, Follow proper risk management, strict risk management, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital right now. And keep your eyes on US dollar. Now let's talk about DXY. I have talked a lot. Anyways, on GBP USD chart, you can see right now market is going down and we have a temporary resistance here. Okay, we have a temporary resistance here, but in this market situation I will not recommend you to go for any buy right now, because buying at any level is very risky here. Okay, buying at any level is risky here. So if possible, try to avoid market in this situation, at least taking a buy in this situation. And on the other hand, if you find market taking support and bouncing from this level 1.3410, which is a minor support, yes, minor support, and we have 1.3385 Fibonacci 61.8%. If Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level, there is a possibility that market may bounce from this level, but solely on the basis of these levels, do not initiate any buy position, because you need additional confirmation from dollar. If dollar gets volatile, if you see dollar going up again, then obviously market will see some craziness. Okay, so be very careful, my dear friends, and just keep in mind that in case of a sudden buying in the US dollar, if you see huge buying in the market of the DXY, then you can initiate a sell position as well. But keep in mind, market is volatile, market is risky. Follow proper risk management. Okay, because if dollar starts going up, then obviously nothing will work. Nothing will work. It will just fall. Okay, so be careful. This is market, and you need to accept the harsh realities of the market as well. So bye bye. Take care. See ya.